Here is a recap of May 2025. It was full of ups and downs. For instance, some of my YouTube shorts got some great views, so I appreciate you guys. But then our electricity went out multiple times because of thunderstorms, which we needed the rain, but my candles got a lot of use. I also hit another milestone on YouTube and have uploaded 200 videos. That's huge. And the rest of the video is full of adventure. I took my dog to get his shots and we hung out a little bit at the park and enjoyed some time under this huge oak tree. It was very lovely. I then baked some sourdough lemon poppy seed muffins, which are delicious for breakfast. I then helped kick off Vernia, Texas's first market of 2025, and I think there were like 75 vendors, which was great, but the wind was atrocious. So I did find some cool hacks to keep my books and bookmarks from blowing away, so check out my shorts to see those tips and tricks. The market was so much fun, and the fact that I learned some new stuff made it even better. And I did talk to a lot of families, although I didn't sell too much. It's always great to get my name out there and share what I'm doing. And the last event of the month was the Wilson County Mini Book Festival, the first one they've ever held, and they had like over 40 authors. It was amazing. And I got to hang out with some authors that I've met, and we're planning a summer reading book tour to visit San Antonio and the surrounding cities' local libraries to read to families. So I hope you guys can check that out if you're local. You can find all that information in the description below. Alright, well, that is about it for May 2025. I hope you were inspired to create something on your own. If you do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.